Hello everyone, welcome back to our PowerShell tutorial series. Today we are going to see some basic difference between PowerShell console and command prompt. So now let's begin. First of all, I am going to open the command prompt and I am going to also open the PowerShell. Here basically we are going to see the major three perspective difference between command prompt and PowerShell console. So if we discuss the functionality, then PowerShell is much more advanced in the terms of the features, capabilities and inner working when compared to the legacy command prompt. And basically it's not only an interface but also a scripting language that is used to carry out administrative tasks more easily. And second key point is related to the commands. So most of the commands executed on the command prompt can be run on the PowerShell as well. So however, PowerShell uses commandlets, which are self-contained programming objects that expose the underlying administration options inside of the windows. And commandlets follow the verb noun conventions, which is making it easier for the users to understand what a commandlet does. And if we discuss related to the uses, then command prompt is mostly used to process patch files, troubleshoots some common errors and fix corrupt system files. On the other hand, PowerShell can be used for executing batch commands as well as administrative purposes. And if we discuss the parts of the commands implementation, then command prompt does not natively support arrays, for each loop, but you can use for loop to achieve a similar result. And functions exception handling, basically the command prompt does not support try catch error handling. And these are the few basic difference which you have to know before deep dive into the world of the PowerShell. So that's it for the today's session. In the next session we will be going to continue the exploring more features and capabilities of the PowerShell. If you have any questions or feedback, then please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more sessions. Thank you for watching this session. Happy learning. Bye bye.